Just did a crazy amount of concrete work, all the electrical, the plumbing. I mean, we just basically redid the whole entire building. Not exactly what we expected going into this project. It added several months to the timeline, but it is what it is. And a week or two ago, I was like, you know what? While we're at it, let's just go ahead and re-side the whole entire building, which looks phenomenal. That's not the color the building's gonna be. Got a lot of paint going on this upcoming week and the weeks to follow. Hopefully, I've said this for a little while, but hopefully things start moving really quick because now all the big ticket stuff is kind of over. So it's gonna be insulation, drywall, flooring, kitchenettes, and appliances and all that stuff, fixtures. That's all going to start coming in here really soon.